Hello, this is Miss Bryant for your weekly announcements, and I am joined by,
Gwen, Sophia.
and that's about it for right now. Sophia, tell us what's happening.
Okay, so in November on Monday 11th, it's Veterans Day, so we have a holiday. And then on that exact same day at 11:59, the Fit-a-thon is going to request like 10 emails, like bring in, I guess.
Yeah, 10 more emails on pledgestar.com in order to be entered into a raffle.
And then on the 22nd is the Fit-a-thon, so you have to get all your funds in by now so you can get prizes.
What was your guys' favorite part of the Fit-a-thon last year?
I think I liked the part where you could just dance.
Oh,
That was
the
fun.
dance part?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, and then?
On Monday 25th through December 7th is our Thanksgiving break. And then and then on December, the day that we come back is a Cozy Free Dress Day.
And then there's a talent show that Gwen is here to tell us more about. Okay, here are the top winners right now. We have 3 people in the school, Abed, Amanda, Mandy, and Allie, who all have the top prize win for the limousine lunch. So all of you guys can be entered into the raffle that takes place on Tuesday only if you add 10 more emails now. So there's like all these prizes for top winners, and I don't have the information about that in this slideshow, but I'll put it in next week. There's like top winner prizes, and then there's all these like level prizes. So our top winners have 20 tickets, opportunity drawing for teachers, limousine lunch, plus our top winners have Boba Loca board game party, plus they are entered into Amazon gift card, plus they have this VIP access to the Gaga Ball and the Fox's Chill Zone there's so many prizes. But this extra incentive is if you add 10 more emails to pledgestar.com/IVA by Monday at 11:59, you get entered into like an extra raffle for extra things. Do you have any questions about that?
I don't think so.
Have you guys entered emails on pledgestar.com/IVA?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
How come you're not up there? What's happening? It's hard. Is it hard?
To answer?
I don't know. Who do you email?
Mm,
I was just thinking about this.
like,
Family members.
yeah.
Ah, Ben's here.
Are you guys ready to not goof up your pictures? Actually, you probably will, but you'll be looking good for picture day. At least we tell you about it this year. We'll do our best to schedule pictures on the day you don't have PE, so you don't have to change out like 3 times. 6th grade photo class will be on Tuesday. And yeah, awesome stuff. You get fancy IDs, which help you get student discounts.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go eat some snacks.
Thanks, Ben.
Bye.
So the problem is you have to look good for 2 days because you might get pulled out for pictures on Tuesday. You might get pulled out on Wednesday.
You never know.
You never know.
If you're interested in the talent show, we have an audition after school today, and another one next Thursday after school from 1:10 to 2:45. And if you have any further questions, you can ask Julia and I, or you can email us.
Okay. What are you most excited about for the talent show?
Just the things that people do. They're really, really good at a lot of different things.
Really good and even really funny.
Yeah, some of them are really fun.
It's going to be really funny. Okay.
And then who's this? The hints are she is a 6th grader and she has a 7th grade sister or sibling.
Who is that cutie pie? I feel like her eyes are pulling me in very deeply. It's a little scary. And
All the
cute at
7th
same
graders
time.
despawned today, so here's the current locations for the 6th and the 8th graders. Hopefully it'll be respawned by Monday.
So check it out. Miss Fountain's class is normally in the rec center. Today, Miss Fountain, your class is going to the plaza. So we have even levels, and we're keeping our lovely physical education classes in the rec center. We love you. Have a wonderful 3-day weekend. Anything about the 3-day weekend to say?
Oh yes, Happy New Year. Oh wait, I'm early. Well, goodbye and enjoy!
Bye.
Bye.